Well, hello. Today's video, I'm just going to talk about this kitty litter worm bin that I'm going to use outside. I had worm castings that still needed to be sifted, and they're still kind of damp, so I put those in this kitty litter bin. These are the castings that I sifted. But I grabbed a few worms out of my worm bin. I'm going to add a few worms into the worm bin. It's hard to see because of the sun. I'm going to see how many worms this thing will produce pretty soon, like within the next month or two. So for these worms, they were in the worm bin before, some of them. They're going to stay outside, so this will be an experiment to see how many worms I'll get within the next 3 months out of these few worms. And also inside of this, there's cocoons and juveniles, and there's baby worms, so there's all types of stages of worms in this bin. So we'll see within 3 months how many worms this bin will reproduce. So I just want to say, you guys, like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. Have a great day. Bye.